Musa Mseleku did respond, but people are saying that no, it was a great interview. I commend the interviewer. She pointed a lot of positivity. She needed this interview to heal, to grow. You are a great father, Mseleku, so don't give up on her. So Musa Mseleku responded by saying that he did not expect this, guys. But if you watch those small videos of the one that is circulating social media, obviously you're gonna get confused. But if you watch the whole interview here on YouTube, you will realize that Usne, she is not the bad person we thought she is. She did mention a lot of things, good things about her father. She went on to say that I was the one who was disrespecting my father, not to listening to her. But right now, this coming Utano's Temple season 8, me and my father, we're gonna spend a lot of time together. Right now, I'm staying at home. I'm making right choices, guys. So the one those are circulating, obviously people will be pushing a content. But if you come here on YouTube, you realize that it was not a bad interview, Nkosiyami. It was not a bad compared to what we see on Utano's Temple and is Ngani's Temple. Obviously, the one we saw yesterday, it was a totally different. Usne, she has a change. I don't know if it was because of the interviewer, maybe she was acting, but for me, I was very impressed by Sne. So people are saying that Musa Mseleku, before you make any decision, regardless, obviously she does depend, she has always that depend on her father. Before you make any decision about her future, make sure that you watch the whole video. Nkosiyami, Usne Nkosiyami, she really did try. She even talked good about Umacele. But people are saying that you did not mention Umayeni. What is going on? Because Umayeni, you don't play with